Good morning everyone. It's Monday, another day, another journey sa trabaho. Now, sa trabaho hindi may iwasan na mayroon tayong mga hindi makasundo ng mga tao. We have misunderstanding because of course, we came from different culture. We are being raised by different way. So iba-iba ang ugali natin. And don't expect na lahat ng tao ay talagang makasundo mo. Ang mahalaga lang talaga, gagawa ka ng tama. Dahil gagawa ka ng tama, may matuwa sa'yo, may magalit sa'yo. Gagawa ka ng masama, may matuwa sa'yo, may magalit din sa'yo. So what is most important, just do good things. Just do what is the right thing to do. Now tandaan natin, don't mind na yung mga tao sa'yo, na yung ibang tao hindi magagusto sa'yo. What is most important, tama ang ginawa mo. Kasi hindi mo talaga pwedeng i-expect na lahat ng tao magkagusto sa'yo. Parang Facebook lang yan eh. Kung mag-post ka sa Facebook, if you are going to check yung likes, kakaunti lang. But when you check the insights, when you check kung ilan yung nag-views, napakadami. Ibig sabihin, marami mga tao na tinitingnan ka lang, but not all people like you. So it's okay. Don't bother about that. What is most important, that ang lahat ng ginagawa mo ay hindi lang kapurihan sa tao. But more than that, ang ginawa mo is to glorify God. After all, as what the Bible says in Colossians 3:23, whatsoever you do it for the Lord. Hindi ka gagawa ng isang bagay dahil may tao na nakatingin sa'yo or para sa tao. When you do something for the Lord, then we have the eternal reward. So don't mind of the earthly reward because it will fade away. What is most important, the heavenly reward. So always remember that life is too short. Don't dwell on negativities. Don't dwell on people na kung saan ang gusto nila is ida-down ka. Just move forward. Don't dwell on the past. Keep moving forward and do your best in doing something, because after all, as what the Bible says, whatsoever your hand findeth to do it with excellence. Again, enjoy the day, be safe, and God bless.